Welcome to the Preposition Masterclass. This is episode 1, and today we're solving one of English's most confusing questions. Why do we say on the bus, in the car, and why do we meet people at the airport? These are not random mistakes. There's real logic behind it. Let's break it down so that you'll never forget it again. Prepositions show us how we see a space or a situation. It's about perspective, not just a physical position. Once you understand the perspective, the choice makes sense. We say on the bus, on the train, and on the plane because these are public and shared transport. You're not thinking of being inside a little box. You're thinking of being on board, part of a whole system. I'm on the bus right now. She's on the train to New York. We're on a plane waiting for takeoff. So interesting fact. This comes from old sailing terms. People were on board a ship, and English kept the idea for other vehicles. We say in a car or in a taxi because these are private spaces. You feel enclosed, like sitting in your own little box. That's why the perspective is in. I'm in a car. She's in a taxi. So here's a little trick. If it feels like you're in a little box, we say in. Now, what about at the airport? We use at for points of activity. The airport isn't just a building, it's a location where something happens. I'll meet you at the airport is the general location. I'm in the airport, inside the building, not outside. So here's a cheat sheet. In is small, private, and enclosed. Like in a car, in a taxi, in a room, in a box. On, shared, surface, or public transport. Like on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a ship, on a table. At is the point of activity or an event. At the airport, at the station, at school, at work. Now you know why it's in the car, on the bus, and at the airport. Prepositions are all about perspective, not random rules. In episode 2 of the Preposition Masterclass, we'll look at why we say on the table and in the box. Follow along so you never get stuck in prepositions again. If you liked this video and learned something from it, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.